नमस्ते। हमेशा खुश रहो बेटियाओं। JVN प्रोफेसर मंजू शर्मा। प्रोग्राम नेम एम थर्ड सेम। सब्जेक्ट नेम secondary and senior secondary education. Module name or session name evaluation of curriculum formative and summative. University name Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. Welcome to all in my university class. We are discussing about evaluation of curriculum formation and formative and summative. What are the evaluation? What are the types of evaluation? Formative evaluation. Formative evaluation typically occurs at the early stages of the curriculum. The purpose of summative evaluation is to assess the overall effectiveness of a curriculum so that decisions about constitution, expansion, institutionalization, or elimination can be made. Formative evaluation. This is evaluation that is carried out while a course, curriculum, education package, etc. is actually being developed. Its main purpose being to find out whether it needs to be, and if so, whether it realistically can be improved. What is formative and summative education? Formative evaluation is typically conducted during the development of improvement of a program or course. Summative evaluation involves making judgments about the efficiency of a program of course at its conclusion. It is nutshell, formative assessments are quizzes and tests that evaluate how someone is learning material throughout a course. Summative assessment are quizzes and tests that evaluate how much someone has learned throughout a course. What are the two types of curriculum evaluation? There are two primary types of evaluation, formative and summative, that assess academic curriculum for effectiveness. Within each major categories, you will find different models that guide the assessment process when it comes to inform that you need and how to gather it. What are the characteristics of formative evaluation? The 10 characteristics of formative assessment identified were responsiveness, the sources of evidence, student disclosure, a tactic process using professional knowledge and experiences, an integral part of teaching and learning. Who is doing the formative assessment? The purpose for formative assessment. What are the similarity between formative and summative evaluation? Formative assessment is an ongoing, flexible, and more informal diagnostic tool, while summative assessment is, as the word implies, an evaluation of the sum product of the lesson. Summative assessments are moral, formal, structured, and often used to normalize performance, so they can be measured and compared. What is major purpose of formative and summative evaluation? Formative evaluation was intended to foster development and improvement within an ongoing activity for person, product, program, etc. Summative evaluation, in contrast, is used to assess whether the result of the object being evaluated program, intervention, person, etc. Formative evaluations are evaluations for learning. They are often ungraded and informal. Their aim is to provide both the students and instructor with a, of where their level of understanding is at the current moment and enable the instructor to adjust accordingly to meet the emerging needs of the class. What are the examples of summative evaluation? Summative assessment examples: end of term of midterm exams, cumulative work over extended period, such as a final project or creative portfolio, end of unit of chapter test, Standardized tests that demonstrate school accountability are used for student admissions. How do you conduct a formative evaluation? For example, in formative evaluation, you are looking to generate interventions ideas, test concepts, test the validity of potential posting statements, positioning statements, test copies, the actual words that you will use to encourage behavior, test the making. What are the steps of evaluation? Clarify what is to be evaluated. Engage stakeholders. Assess resources and availability. Determine your evaluation questions. Determine approach, method of measurement, and develop evaluation plan. Collect data. Process and analyze results. Formative assessment is outcomes based. Emphasize learning outcomes, makes goals and standards transport to students, provides clear assessment criteria, closes the gap between what student knows and desired outcomes, provided feedback that is comprehensible, actionable, and relevant. This power is session by 2 digital 2.0 version, 2.0 version. Jyoti Vidyapeeth University, you have any problem? Yeah, any query? Write in comment box. Resolve your problem. Thank you. क्या क्लास नहीं सर वीडियो बना रही थी हाँ